Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video, and I'm actually in the nursery right now that we finally got a crib, but I will do a separate video telling you guys which one we bought and everything. And we got a mattress and a crib sheet and like other stuff that I'm looking at right now, but we need to like put together. But yeah, my name is Marilenny. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you guys the names that we like, but we're not gonna choose. I know you guys know this kind of videos already. I've been watching them on YouTube and they're super fun to make, so I was like, maybe I should make one. So here I am. So we're just gonna start. We did choose a name for the baby already, and it was super hard. I don't know how parents do this. It was the biggest decision literally ever, because you have to choose a name for like a whole person, and it was just really hard. And I was just like, oh my god, like I don't know what to do, I don't know what to choose. But we chose the name. Like, you guys know, if you watch my previous vlogs, I say there how I even like thought of the name, like how it came to me, and I'll put this down below so you guys can check it out. But it was super hard to choose the name. Like, oh my goodness, like it was really hard. Okay, that's all I gotta say. But we finally chose one, and we told our family, and yeah. So I have it all on my phone right here, and it's like I have a list of like the names that we've been like putting over the past couple of months. And so let me get started, because I don't want this video to be super long, like always. But the first one that we like is Joshua, and we like that one because it's my husband's name, but in English, you know, my husband's name is Josue. It's not Jose, it's Josue. And we always like that name, so we were trying to choose it, but Joshua is more like a first name and not like a middle name, you know. So we were just like, do we want to use it for a middle name or for a first name? But we, you know, obviously we didn't go with that one. And then we also liked Elian, E-L-I-A-N, and it just sounds nice. Like, you know, I don't hear it often with people, so I was like, maybe we should choose that name because it sounds like really different, you know. But the next one that I like is Gabriel. I think that name is so nice. I don't know a lot of Gabriels. I don't know if you guys know Gabriels, but that name just sounded so nice to me. Like Gabriel, like, you know, like when you choose a name for your baby, you want to like say the name and think of them. So other names that obviously we didn't choose, we didn't choose them because they just didn't go with who our child, like, you know, is gonna look like or whatever. Like, you know, like you feel it, right? And another one that we like is Ezekiel. I really like that name. For some reason, I just feel like it's so hard to say. And I don't know if you guys eat Ezekiel bread. Every time I hear the word Ezekiel, I just think with the bread. And I don't want to think of my baby as bread. So I was like, never mind, next. And then the next one is Noah. I love the name Noah. I might choose it for like another baby name if I have more babies, more like boys in the future. I don't know, but I love the name Noah. It's just so easy, and it's just like I can literally imagine a baby named Noah. It's so cute, right? And then the other name that I really like is Jacob. That name is really nice. Like Jacob sounds like a person that like, it's like strong and independent, and it doesn't sound like somebody that slacks off. It's like such a strong masculine name, like Jacob, you know. So I really like that one too. And then the other one that we like was Adrian. That was our second choice, and up to the time that I fell in love with the name that we chose, Adrian was my first choice. I was just like, oh, I love the name Adrian. But the problem with that one for some reason was that I kept on thinking about Adrian from the Cheetah Girls, from the reel. Like every time I say the name Adrian, it should just come to my mind, and I'm like, all right, I'm not gonna name my child Adrian, because this girl keeps coming to my mind, because obviously Adrian is a boy and girl name. So I was like, never mind. And then the next one is Evan, or I don't know, a lot of names that I'm gonna say them wrong, and my husband be like making fun of me because I say the names wrong. So if I say the name wrong now, that's a sign that I shouldn't use them, you know. For that reason, I'm like, not even gonna use it. And then the next name that I really like is Elliot, and that one I still love. That one I really like, and I don't know, things could change. I don't know. Maybe he might not look like the name that we're thinking when, you know, when he's here. So I might change it. I don't know. I just love the name Elliot. It's so nice. Like Elliot, like it's really nice, but it's just hard to say. And like if I picture my dad saying Elliot, like it's like gonna be a problem, and then they're gonna just like put him a nickname, and that's why I was like, never mind. But I just love how you spell it, and it just looks so nice, like Elliot, you know? Whatever. And then the next name that I really like is Noel. That one is really nice too. But then I started researching, and Noel, like with Christmas and stuff like that, I was like, nah, like, you know, to me Christmas is not about Noel, about Santa Claus, it's about Jesus. So I was like, nah, I don't wanna go there. So obviously we didn't choose that one. And then the last one that we liked was Raphael. I love that name. Raphael is also very like strong and masculine, and just sounds like somebody super strong and independent and just a good person for some reason. I don't know, it's just a name. I might be wrong. But I really like that name, and that is the last one. And the name we chose, it's so beautiful for us. It's something that we really like, and we love that name that we chose, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And I didn't want to say a disclaimer when I say something to all the moms and to all the dads, and actually to everybody, because sometimes we put names to our children and some people don't like them. Like your mom might not like the name that you choose for your baby, your dad, your brother, somebody might not like the name you choose for your baby, but guess what? It doesn't matter. So I want to like tell everybody to be super nice about it. And if you don't like the name, be like, oh, okay, you know, it's nice, you know, but you could literally say your opinion without being rude or without being nasty. And because it's something so sensitive, I think that we have no right to be rude about somebody choosing a name for their baby. And I want to say that because it's just common sense. Like, you know, it's common sense. There's no need to, but yeah, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait for you guys to know the name. And today I am, what is it? 20 weeks and 3 days, I believe. Let's see. Time is going super fast. Yeah, 20 weeks and 3 days, and I can't wait. I'm so impatient, guys. Like, I want the baby shower to be here already. I want everything to be here already because I cannot wait. But yeah, I have so many more videos for you guys, so I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right here, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next channel, in my next video. Bye, guys.